Want to hear something crazy? 85% of marketers say lead generation is their biggest challenge. 85%. That's insane. Businesses are struggling to find new customers. Traditional methods are expensive and often ineffective. It's a real pain point, but don't worry, I'm here to tell you there's a better way. It's time to ditch the old playbook and embrace the future of lead generation. The future is here and it's powered by AI. Let me introduce you to Chat GPT, your new secret weapon for generating thousands of leads without spending a dime. Chat GPT is a powerful AI tool that can help you create engaging content, automate your marketing, and reach a wider audience. And the best part, it's completely free to use. Chat GPT is like having a 24/7 marketing assistant that never sleeps. It can help you write blog posts, social media updates, email campaigns, and even video scripts. All you have to do is give it a few prompts, and it will do the rest. Think about all the money businesses spend on lead generation: Facebook ads, Google AdWords, billboards, trade shows, the list goes on and on. These methods can be effective, but they come with a hefty price tag. And for many businesses, especially startups and small businesses, these costs are simply unsustainable. But it's not just the cost that's the problem. Traditional lead generation methods often lack engagement. People are bombarded with so many ads and marketing messages that they become numb to them. It's harder than ever to cut through the noise and capture people's attention. Now, let's talk about how ChatGPT solves these problems. In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses are constantly looking for ways to stay ahead of the competition. One of the biggest challenges they face is creating engaging content that captures the attention of their audience. This is where ChatGPT comes in. First and foremost, it's completely free. Yes, you heard that right. You can access this powerful AI tool without spending a single penny. This is a game changer for small businesses and startups that often operate on tight budgets. That's right, you can use this powerful AI tool to generate leads without spending a single dollar on advertising. Imagine being able to reach potential customers and grow your business without the hefty costs associated with traditional marketing methods. This levels the playing field and gives every business, regardless of size or budget, the opportunity to succeed. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a large corporation, ChatGPT provides the tools you need to compete in the digital marketplace. But it's not just about being free. The value of ChatGPT goes beyond its cost effectiveness. It's about the quality and effectiveness of the content it helps you create. ChatGPT is also incredibly effective at creating engaging content. Whether you need blog posts, social media updates, or email campaigns, this AI tool can do it all. It can help you write blog posts that rank high in search results, driving more traffic to your website, and increasing your online visibility. Social media updates that go viral, capturing the attention of a wider audience, and boosting your brand's presence on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And email campaigns that convert, turning prospects into loyal customers and driving sales for your business. It's like having a team of expert copywriters at your fingertips, all working for free. With ChatGPT, you can focus on what you do best, running your business, while it takes care of your content creation needs. So why wait? Start using ChatGPT today and see the difference it can make for your business. Section 5, Crafting Killer Content with ChatGPT, Prompts and Examples. In this section, we will explore how to leverage the power of ChatGPT to create compelling content that not only engages your audience, but also drives conversions and generates leads for your business. Let me give you a few examples of how you can use ChatGPT to create killer content that generates leads. Whether you are a marketer, a business owner, or a content creator, ChatGPT can be an invaluable tool in your content creation arsenal. Let's say you're a fitness coach and you want to write a blog post about the benefits of HIIT workouts. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a popular workout regimen known for its efficiency and effectiveness in burning calories and improving cardiovascular health. You could give ChatGPT a prompt like, write a blog post about the benefits of HIIT workouts for weight loss. ChatGPT will then analyze the prompt and generate a detailed, well-structured blog post that highlights the key benefits of HIIT workouts, such as increased metabolism, improved endurance, and effective fat burning. ChatGPT will then generate a well-written, informative blog post that you can then edit and publish on your website. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that your content is engaging and informative. You can tweak the generated content to add your personal touch or specific insights, making it even more valuable to your readers. You can use this same approach to create social media updates, email newsletters, and even video scripts. The possibilities are endless. For instance, you can prompt ChatGPT to write a series of social media posts promoting your latest fitness program, or craft an engaging email newsletter that keeps your subscribers informed and excited about your offerings. Additionally, you can use ChatGPT to draft video scripts that are both informative and entertaining, helping you to connect with your audience on a deeper level. By leveraging ChatGPT, you can streamline your content creation process and focus on what you do best, delivering value to your audience. Section 6, From Content to Cash, my YouTube Mastery course. This is where your journey to becoming a YouTube sensation begins. Speaking of video, if you're serious about generating leads and growing your business, you need to be on YouTube. It's not just a platform for entertainment, it's a powerful tool for business growth and brand building. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and it's a goldmine for reaching your target audience. With billions of users logging in every month, the potential to connect with your ideal customers is immense. And guess what? You can use ChatGPT to create amazing YouTube content too. Imagine having an AI assistant that helps you brainstorm ideas, write scripts, and even optimize your video descriptions. That's why I created my YouTube Mastery and Monetization course. This course is designed to take you from a complete beginner to a YouTube pro, guiding you every step of the way. This course will teach you everything you need to know to create a successful YouTube channel, from coming up with video ideas that resonate with your audience to optimizing your videos for search. You'll learn how to use keywords effectively, create compelling thumbnails, and understand YouTube's algorithm to get your videos seen by more people. And to sweeten the deal, I'm offering a free webinar where I'll share my top YouTube strategies. In this webinar, you'll get insider tips on how to grow your channel, engage with your audience, and monetize your content effectively. So, if you're ready to take your YouTube game to the next level, join my YouTube Mastery and Monetization course today. Let's turn your passion into profit and make your YouTube dreams a reality. Remember, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight, but with the right guidance and strategies, you can achieve incredible results. Enroll now and start your journey to YouTube success. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn from the best and transform your YouTube channel into a thriving business. Sign up for my YouTube Mastery and Monetization course today, and let's make your YouTube dreams come true. Section 7, ChatGPT in Action, a case study. I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, Gary, but does it actually work? The answer is a resounding yes. I've seen firsthand how ChatGPT can transform businesses. One of my students, a small business owner named Sarah, was struggling to generate leads for her online store. She implemented the strategies I teach in my YouTube Mastery course and started using ChatGPT to create engaging video content. The results were incredible. Within 3 months, her YouTube channel had grown to over 10,000 subscribers, and her sales had tripled. Section 8. Subscribe for more game-changing strategies. That's the power of ChatGPT and the power of YouTube. They're game changers and they can help you achieve your business goals. If you're ready to take your business to the next level, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. I'm constantly sharing new strategies and insights to help you win in the digital age. Section 9. Unleash your inner entrepreneur. Remember, success is not about luck. It's about hard work, dedication, and embracing new technologies like Chat GPT. So what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner entrepreneur and start building the business of your dreams today.